Hello everyone, this is LVG studying in first BSc Computer Science from KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. Now we are going to see about conversion. Binary to ASCII conversion. We cannot give binary input as digits, so an equivalent hexadecimal value loaded as inputs. Split the value into 2 and find the ASCII value for the each values. If the input is given, if it is greater than 9, add 37. If it is less than 9, add 30 in the input and show the result. Let us see one example. The given hexadecimal value is 0b. First, we should check the value is greater than or less than 9. 0 is less than 9, so we should add 30 to it. The final answer is 30. The binary value of 30 is 00110000. The decimal value of b is 11. The binary value of 11 is 1011. b is greater than 9, so we should add 37 to it. Binary value of 37 is 00110111. If we add these both values, we will get 01000010. It is 42. The ASCII value of OB is 3042. ASCII to binary conversion. Load the ASCII value as hexa because we cannot get the binary output directly from the microprocessor. The output is only in hexa form. Subtract 30 from the ASCII value. After subtraction, if the remaining value greater than 9, then subtract 7 from the value and store the result. If the remaining value less than 9, leave as it is. Let us see one example. The given ASCII value is 44. First, we should subtract 30 from it. If we subtract 30, we will get 14. The binary value of 14 is 0000100. It is greater than 9, so we should again subtract from 7. If we subtract 7 from it, we will get 0d. The binary value of 0d is 00001101. Binary to hexadecimal conversion. In binary to hexadecimal conversion, we have to split into 4 bits and we have to take long division to the binary number. After add the value what we get in long division and combine the hexadecimal values. The given binary value is 10110111. First, we have to split into 2. If we take the long division for the value 1011, we will get 1 into 2 power 0 equal to 1, 1 into 2 power 1 equal to 2, 0 into 2 power 2 equal to 0, 1 into 2 power 3 equal to 8. If we add 1 plus 2 plus 8 equal to 11, the value of 11 is b. Again, we should take long division for the value 0111. If we take long division for these values, we will get 1 into 2 power 0 equal to 1, 1 into 2 power 1 equal to 2, 1 into 2 power 3 equal to 4, 0 into 2 power 4 equal to 0. If we add these values, we will get 7. The hexa value of 10110111 is B7. Hexadecimal to binary conversion. In hexadecimal to binary conversion, first we have to take the number and split the values. We have to take that number separate and find the binary value using LCM method. We have to club two values of binary value what we get in LCM method. Let us see one example. The given hexadecimal value is A9. First, we have to split the value. The binary value of A is 10. If we take LCM for 10, we will get 1010, and again we take LCM for 9. If we take LCM for 9, we will get 1001. The binary value of A9 is 10101001. Thank you, ma'am, for giving this wonderful opportunity.